Hello. So, to fix Spotify playing random songs, we will open Spotify first. Also, if you don't have premium, Spotify will play random songs no matter what you do. To my knowledge, there isn't any fix without premium. On the other hand, if you do have premium, the issue might be caused by Smart Shuffle. Of course, on your PC, you can use the Smart Shuffle. On your phone, you can't. We are on a PC and we do have premium. So, the Smart Shuffle means it's gonna add recommended songs, forwarding to your playlist while you play your playlist. So you can turn it off by clicking on it. It's gonna turn gray. That means it's gonna play songs in the order. Or if you click it once again, it's gonna turn green without sparkles, and it's gonna shuffle your songs, but it's gonna keep playing only songs from your playlist. Hope this video helped you. Make sure to like and subscribe, and feel free to support me, link in the description.